We spent the early part of the year exploring areas near Salem and Eugene, Oregon, because we're new to the area and wanted to see what cool things there were to offer. We tried lots of restaurants, visited lots of parks and playgrounds, and just generally enjoyed our new space. We made it out to the Tillamook coast and visited the Tillamook Air Museum. Highly recommend. And we also got to see a lot of the old airplanes and old cars. It's the biggest hangar in the world. We visited Tillamook Bay, Rockaway Beach, and just enjoyed some Tillamook ice cream and Pronto Pup corn dogs. We visited the Museum of Natural History in Eugene and explored the parks there too. Brian was still driving for Amazon, so we spent most of our weeks at home and did our travel on weekends or holidays. Scott's Mill, having fun in the backyard, and visiting our nearest local state park, Silver Falls State Park. Highly recommend if you are in the Salem area or Portland area to make the drive. Silver Falls State Park is unparalleled. We feel so lucky to live so close to this gorgeous state park. The Trail of 10 Falls is worth it. We also live right near the Oregon Garden, and we spent lots of time there with a membership in the spring. Fountains, flowers, just enjoying the outdoors in a beautiful green space. The Oregon Garden is a favorite place for us to bring the kids and our dog. We also explored Yamhill Nature Preserve and celebrated Easter. And then we did our first collaboration with Yamhill Downtown Association and their Walk with Beverly Cleary. We look for the fun in the everyday moments. And one of the ways we do that is spending lots of time outdoors whenever it's not pouring.